Hello students, today we'll see the second unit in civics, that is achieving equality. So our first unit is unity in diversity. So from this lesson we are going to learn how to achieve the equality. The society that we live in comprises people from various social groups who are different in many ways. Since we believe in unity in diversity, we should have been living peacefully with one another irrespective of those differences. Often we see that diversity is not accepted and people show attitudes of hostility towards those who are different from them. They form opinions about other groups and this often leads to tension in the society. Such opinions are often prejudiced. So we are living in a country. So our country is India. So it has many diversities, many language diversity, linguistic diversity, cultural diversity, lifestyle diversity. So many diversities are there in India. So about diversity we have learned in the first unit of civics. So though it has many diversities, but we are living together. Why we are living together? Because we believed in the thing unity in diversity. So we are living together with all those differences. But if we create any wrong opinion or if we don't know about a particular thing but we create an opinion about it, then it is called prejudiced. Okay, if we don't know about a particular thing clearly but we create a common opinion about that thing, then it is called as prejudiced. Prejudice means to judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. It happens when people have false belief and ideas. Prejudice means pre plus judge. Prejudice means we are creating a negative or a wrong opinion about a particular people without knowing them clearly. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு விஷயத்தை பற்றி கிளியராக தெரியாமலே அதை பற்றின ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் ஒப்பீனியனோ இல்லை ராங் ஒப்பீனியனோ நம்ம முடிவு பண்ணுறது தான் ப்ரீஜுடிஸ். ஸோ ப்ரீஜுடிஸ் மீன்ஸ் பாராபட்சம். ஓகே, why it happens when people have false belief and ideas. When people have false belief, so there is a chance of prejudice. So prejudice means prejudge. So we are judging before. Pre means before, no. So we are judging before without knowing that clearly. The word prejudice refers to prejudgment. Prejudices can be based on many things like people's religious beliefs, the region they come from, the color of their skin, language, their accent or the clothes they wear. The types of prejudice are gender prejudice, racial prejudice, class prejudice, disability prejudice and so on. So prejudice means prejudgment. So we are judging a thing without knowing it clearly. So we are judging it before. Then it is called prejudgment. So how this prejudgment is created? So it is based on the people's religious belief. So these are all the things which prejudice is based on. And also there are types of prejudice are there, that is based on their gender, based on their skin color, based on their class, community and their disability, etc. For example, urban people are more civilized than rural people in attitudes and behavior is one such prejudice. What do you mean by urban here? So urban means city side people, rural means the village side people. Okay, so urban means city and rural means village side people. So now we'll see the prejudice which relating these two things. So the people who are living in the cities, people who are living in the urban areas are behaving much more better than the people who are living in the rural areas, that is in the village areas. This is a kind of prejudice, because we cannot come to a conclusion like that. No, maybe any one person will behave like that. We cannot come to a conclusion to the whole village or to the whole city. Causes for prejudice. Some common social factors that contributes to the rise of prejudice are socialization, conforming behaviors, economic benefits, authoritarian personality, ethnocentrism, group closure, conflicts. So now we'll see some common reasons. So based on that, the prejudice has created. So first thing is socialization. So we know what is socialization, no? And conforming behaviors. So we came to a conclusion for a particular behavior, that is conforming behavior. Economic benefits. Authoritarian personality. So the person who has the authority, who has the right. So that is called authoritarian personality. Ethnocentrism. So ethnocentrism means it is based on the caste and community. Group closure and conflicts. So conflicts means they have some mismatched opinions. No, so that is called conflicts. Stereotypes. When prejudice gets stronger, it develops into a stereotype. Stereotype is a false view or idea about something. For example, girls are not good at sports. Stereotype is learned at a very early age, and children grow to have very strong ideas or opinions about things, groups, or ideologies. As children grow up, the lines of like and hate for other things, peoples, cultures, beliefs, languages become sharper. Now we'll see about stereotype. So stereotype means when the prejudice gets stronger. So when an wrong opinion about a things gets stronger, it develops into a stereotype. ஸோ ஒரு தவறான கருத்து நம்மளுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்காக பதிவாயிடுச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதையே உண்மையான கருத்து அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ராங்காக நம்புவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அதை தான் ஸ்டீரியோடைப் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் ஸ்டீரியோடைப்? இட் இஸ் அ ஃபால்ஸ் வியூ பிகாஸ் we are not ready to view the true view of a particular thing. So we have created such false view. So this is called stereotype. For example, girls are not good at sports. So this is a kind of stereotype because girls are very good at sports when compared to boys, right? But the common belief about this is girls are not good at sports. They are not fit for sports. They are not suitable for sports. So in our house also, our parents will tell like this, no. So no, why you are going for sports? So it is not suitable for girls. So only boys can do very well when compared to girls. So like that they'll say, no. Prejudice. So this creates the stereotype. So children has a prejudice about a particular thing in very early age. So when they are growing, they have the strong opinion about that things. So this creates the stereotypes. Example, Rahu was hit in his eye with a soft ball, and to everyone's surprise, he started to cry. The others started to laugh at him. Mani felt sad for him but started laughing along with others. In the above example, we have a general opinion that girls cry and boys don't cry. When Raghu cried out of pain, others laughed at him. Now we understand that when we fix people in our image, we create a stereotype. Gender-based stereotypes are often portrayed in films, advertisements, and TV serials. Almost all the advertisements related to detergents, washing machines, dishwashers, and others shows a man, show a woman as the main lead or user of that product. On the other hand, all the stunts shown in a bike advertisement is performed by ferocious looking men. So for example, Raghu is playing with a ball. So unexpectedly, so it has hit in his eye. So because of pain, he started to cry. But the other peoples who are playing with Raghu, they started laugh at him. So but his friend Mani, so he felt sad for him, but other peoples are laughing, no, so he also started laughed at Raghu. So why they are laughing at Raghu? Because he has pain, so he is crying, no, it is a common thing. So what is there to laugh? Because there is a common stereotype, that is the girls will cry and the boys don't cry. So always we'll hear that some people will say like this, no, so why you're crying, you're a boy, you should not cry. So only, so is there any particular thing that girl should have cried? No. So if a girl or a boy, without discrimination, if they had pain, definitely they'll cry, no. So it is a common thing, but it is a stereotype that is created. So now we can understand, if we creates an opinion in a particular matter, it creates the stereotypes. See the image. So this thing you may have noticed in the television advertisement. So this is an advertisement for a detergent or a washing machine. So for these advertisements, they are using women as a main lead, or woman as the user for the product. But when it comes to the bike advertisement, the men will do some stunt performance. So they are creating some gender discrimination, some gender based stereotypes. So these are all the examples for the gender based stereotypes.